Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Authy backup for hassle-free MFA easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To install Authy backup for hassle-free multi-factor authentication, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Authy website at authy.com. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. You will be prompted to enter your phone number. Make sure to choose the correct country code from the drop-down menu. After entering your phone number, click Next. Authy will send you an SMS with a verification code. Retrieve the code from your messages and enter it on the website. Once verified, you will be directed to download the Authy application. Select the version compatible with your device, either iOS, Android, or desktop. Install the application following the on-screen instructions. Open the Authy app after installation. You will be asked to set up your account if it's your first time using Authy. Enter your phone number once again and confirm with the verification code sent via SMS. Navigate to the app settings by tapping the gear icon. Look for the Backups option in the Settings menu. Toggle the backup feature on to enable it. You will be prompted to create a secure backup password. Choose a strong password that you will remember and enter it twice for confirmation. Authy will encrypt your backup with this password. Make sure to write down your backup password somewhere safe. Once the backup feature is enabled, your accounts will be securely backed up. You can now use Authy for multi-factor authentication across your devices without hassle. Always keep your backup password confidential and secure. Regularly check your backup settings to ensure they are active. Now you're set up for a seamless multi-factor authentication experience with Authy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.